Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about handling multiple submit buttons in ASP.NET MVC, or you can say that how we can multiple button with multiple submit button in ASP.NET. Let's open the Visual Studio, create a new project. Just write down the name, select that empty project MVC, click OK. First add that controllers, right click and add controller. Just add that name, home controller. Add a view, that index view. First approach is that multiple button with different name. Just create one action method. That pattern will return that view. Here we will take a string and submit. Now we are going to create two buttons using HTML.begin form. First will be that action name. Action name is multiple button. Then controller name is home. Form method is post. This one also it will be HTTP post. Now you are going to add two buttons, two submit button. Name will be submit and value will be will be save, and second this one also it will be submit button and name should be same, that will be cancel. So here we have created two buttons, that one is save and another one cancel. Just run it. And one more thing is that once you are going to pass in the same action method, the name should be same. So this one you differentiate. So you will get that value here. Just run that application and make a breakpoint here. Once you click the save, so it came here. So now you can see here this one submit. It just came save. This one save. Once again close and open again. Once you click and cancel, so see that this one that submit is coming cancel. In the same action method, you are using both of that buttons. So this one name should be same. This one if it's a submit, so here also it should be submit. and that value should be different. Just like a first value, if you click the save, so you will get value here that save. So you can make a condition here, if submit equal to save, then you can return that in view A, and if it's a cancel, then you can return in view B. Then another approach is form action and form method attributes that is introduced in HTML5. So we'll check that one. Only what we need to do here, just we have to remove this one. It's not required. And we can write here form action. First is the form method, that will be post, and second will be the form action. So you can make it this one is a save, so make it is save. Second one is also like that, form method. Form method will be post, and form action method will be cancel. So here you can create that one. Just remove this one also. Have to make to create one more action method, that is the action result. That what's the action name, that will is a save. So we can call this one save, then return view. We can return view in next. And another one is that this one also it will be post. And same we have to copy, and only need to change that what's the action name. This one is a cancel action method, so it will be cancel. So let's check. Let's run the application. First I click on save. Oh, let's check that what's the issue. Type is the save. Name should be different. This one will be save, and this one will be cancel. See, now it's came to the save because we click on save. Now if you will click on cancel, so it will come to the cancel. So you can see here in the to submit button, we can manage with a two action method. That is called form action and form methods. Because here we mentioned that the name of form method is a post and form action name is save. So it's redirecting to the save action method. If it's a form method is a post and form action name is cancel, so it's redirected to the cancel. I hope it's clear. Thanks for watching.